Want stronger legs, even at 90? Eat this every day. Senior health, hello there. Let's talk about something wonderful, the freedom of movement. The simple joy of walking to the mailbox, getting up from your favorite chair without a struggle, playing with your grandchildren, or simply feeling steady and confident on your own 2 feet. This independence is precious, and strong legs are the foundation of it all. You might think that as the years go by, weaker legs are just a part of life. While it's true that our bodies change, feeling weak and unsteady is not something you have to accept. Even in your 70s, 80s, and yes, even into your 90s, you can actively work to maintain and even build strength. So, what's the secret? Is it some expensive, hard-to-find superfood, a complicated diet plan? The answer is much simpler and more powerful than that. The single most important thing you can eat every day for stronger legs is protein. Let's dive deep into why protein is your leg's best friend and how you can easily make it a part of your daily life. Part 1. The why. Your muscles are hungry for protein. Imagine you are building a brick wall. The bricks are the basic building blocks. Without a steady supply of new bricks, the wall will eventually start to crumble, especially if it's an old wall that has weathered many storms. Your muscles are just like the brick wall, and protein is the bricks. As we age, a natural process called sarcopenia, sarcopenia, begins. It's a fancy word that simply means the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. Think of it as a few bricks naturally falling out of the wall each year. This process is normal, but it speeds up if we don't give our bodies the right materials to repair and rebuild. When sarcopenia affects your legs, it can lead to difficulty standing up from a chair or the toilet, a slower, more shuffling walk, poor balance and an increased risk of falls, general fatigue and a feeling of weakness. Here's the good news. You can fight back against sarcopenia. By providing your body with a steady supply of protein, you are giving it the bricks it needs to not only patch up the wall, but to reinforce it and make it stronger. Every time you eat protein, you are essentially telling your body, hey, let's build and repair some muscle today. Part 2. The how much. Finding your daily goal. Okay, I need more protein, but how much? This is the most common and important question. For many years, the recommended daily amount of protein was quite low. However, recent research specifically on older adults has shown that seniors actually need more protein than younger adults to stimulate muscle growth and fight off sarcopenia. The golden rule for seniors. While you should always discuss any dietary changes with your doctor or a registered dietitian, a great goal for most healthy older adults is to aim for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Let's make that simple. 1. Find your weight in pounds. Let's use 150 pounds as an example. 2. Divide your weight by 2.2 to get your weight in kilograms. 150 pounds divided by 2.2 equals approximately 68 kilograms. 3. Multiply that number by 1.0 and 1.2 to find your daily protein range. 68 kilograms times 1.0 equals 68 grams of protein per day. 68 kilograms times 1.2 equals 82 grams of protein per day. So, for a 150-pound person, a healthy goal would be between 68 and 82 grams of protein each day. Does that number seem big? Don't worry. The key is not to eat it all at once, but to spread it out throughout the day. Aiming for 25 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner is a fantastic and effective strategy. Part 3. The what? The best and easiest protein foods for seniors. This is the fun part. Let's talk about the delicious and easy-to-prepare foods that are packed with high-quality protein. We'll focus on options that are also easy to chew and digest. Category 1. The power of animal protein. These are often called complete proteins because they contain all the essential building blocks your muscles need in one place. Eggs, the perfect food. They are inexpensive, easy to cook, soft to chew, and one large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, they are a breakfast champion. Chicken and turkey, white meat. A 3-ounce portion of cooked chicken breast, about the size of a deck of cards, packs a huge punch with about 25 grams of protein. It's lean and versatile. If you have trouble chewing, buy ground chicken or turkey to make patties or mix into sauces. Fish. Wonderful for your muscles and your brain. A 3-ounce serving of salmon or cod has around 22 grams of protein. Canned fish like tuna and salmon are incredibly convenient and affordable. A simple tuna salad sandwich can be a perfect protein-rich lunch. The omega-3 fats in fish also help reduce inflammation, which can ease joint pain. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. These are dairy superstars. A single serving cup of plain Greek yogurt can have 15 to 20 grams of protein. Cottage cheese is just as impressive. They are soft, easy to eat, and also provide calcium for your bones. Choose plain versions to avoid added sugars. Category 2. The might of plant-based protein. You don't have to eat meat to get strong. Plants offer amazing sources of protein, often with the added benefit of healthy fiber. Beans and lentils, a cornerstone of a healthy diet. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein and a huge amount of fiber, which is great for digestive health. Canned beans, like black beans, chickpeas, or kidney beans, are ready to eat. You can add them to soups, salads, or mash them into a dip. Lentil soup is a comforting, protein-packed meal. Tofu. Don't be afraid of tofu. It's made from soybeans and is incredibly soft and easy to prepare. It soaks up the flavor of whatever you cook it with. A half-cup serving has about 10 grams of protein. Try scrambling it like eggs or adding cubes to a simple soup. Nuts and seeds. A handful of almonds, about 23 almonds, has 6 grams of protein. If whole nuts are hard to chew, try nut butters, like peanut or almond butter, or ground seeds, like flax or chia. A spoonful of peanut butter on toast or in your oatmeal is an easy way to add protein. Quinoa. This is a special grain because it's a complete plant-based protein. 1 cooked cup has about 8 grams of protein. It's a wonderful, fluffy substitute for rice. Part 4. Putting it all together. A sample day of eating for strong legs. Let's see how easy it can be to reach a goal of around 75 grams of protein. Breakfast, aim for 20 to 25 grams protein. Option 1. 2 scrambled eggs, 12 grams, with a slice of whole wheat toast, 4 grams, and a glass of milk, 8 grams. Total, 24 grams. Option 2. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 18 grams, mixed with a handful of berries and a spoonful of chopped walnuts, 2 grams. Total, 20 grams. Lunch, aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein. Option 1. A sandwich made with 3 ounces of sliced turkey, 22 grams, on whole wheat bread, 8 grams, with lettuce and tomato. Total, 30 grams. Option 2. A big bowl of lentil soup, 15 grams, served with a half cup of cottage cheese, 14 grams, on the side. Total, 29 grams. Dinner, aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein. Option 1. A 3-ounce piece of baked salmon, 22 grams, served with a side of quinoa, 4 grams for a half cup, and steamed broccoli, total 26 plus grams. Option 2. A small chicken breast, 3 ounces, 25 grams, cut into small, easy-to-chew pieces, served with mashed sweet potatoes and green beans. Total, 25 plus grams. What about snacks? If you're hungry between meals or your appetite is small, snacks are a great way to add more protein. A hard-boiled egg, 6 grams protein. A handful of almonds, 6 grams protein. A small cup of cottage cheese, 14 grams protein. A cheese stick, 7 grams protein. Part 5. The supporting cast. Protein's best friends. Protein is the star of the show, but it works best with a good supporting cast. 1. Movement. The construction crew. Eating protein without using your muscles is like having a pile of bricks with no one to build the wall. You need to give your muscles a reason to get stronger. This doesn't mean you need a gym membership. Simple, safe movements at home can make all the difference. Chair squats. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Slowly lower yourself, until you are just about to sit. Then push yourself back up to a standing position. Hold on to the back of another chair for balance. Do this 5 to 10 times. Marching in place. While holding on to a counter or sturdy furniture, lift your knees up one at a time, as if you are marching. This activates your leg muscles and helps with balance. Talk to a professional. Ask your doctor or a physical therapist for a simple, safe exercise routine that is right for you. 2. Calcium and vitamin D, the foundation for the wall. Your muscles are attached to your bones. Strong bones are just as important as strong muscles. Calcium, found in dairy, leafy greens, fortified orange juice, is the mineral that makes bones hard. Vitamin D, from sunlight, fortified milk, fatty fish, helps your body absorb that calcium. A fall is much less likely to cause a fracture if your bones are strong. 3. Water, the mortar for the bricks. Your muscles are about 75% water. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue. Sip water throughout the entire day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Final thoughts. Your journey to a stronger. You building and maintaining leg strength in your later years is not about becoming an athlete. It's about preserving your quality of life, your confidence, and your independence. Remember the key takeaways. Protein is the building block for your muscles. It is your #1 tool against age-related muscle loss. Aim to eat a source of protein with every meal. Spread your intake throughout the day. Choose protein sources you enjoy and that are easy for you to eat, whether it's eggs, yogurt, beans, or chicken. Combine your protein-rich diet with gentle movement. Use your muscles to keep them strong. Always, always, always talk to your doctor before making big changes to your diet or starting a new exercise routine. They can help you create a plan that is safe and effective for your personal health needs. You have the power to nourish your body and keep your legs strong. It starts today with your very next meal. Choose a protein, enjoy it, and know that you are giving your body the bricks it needs to keep you standing tall and walking strong for years to come. And so, we arrive at the end of our conversation, but at the very beginning of a wonderful and empowering journey. We have pulled back the curtain on one of the most effective, yet often overlooked secrets to maintaining strength and vitality as we age. The secret isn't a magic pill or a fleeting trend you'll see on television. It is simple, it is profound, and it is something you have complete control over, the nourishing power of protein. Throughout this guide, we've thought of your muscles like a brick wall and protein as the essential bricks needed for constant repair and reinforcement. We've learned that sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle as we age, is not an unstoppable force but a process we can actively fight back against. By understanding this, you've already taken the most important step. You've shifted from being a passive passenger on the journey of aging to being an active, informed captain of your own ship. Let's take a moment to reflect on what this truly means for your daily life. This isn't just about abstract concepts like muscle mass or grams of protein. This is about the very real, tangible moments that make up a life of freedom and dignity. It's about the confidence you feel when you stand up from the dinner table without needing to push off with your hands. It's about the stability under your feet as you walk to get the mail, even on a day when you feel a little tired. It's about having the energy to play with your grandchildren in the park, the strength to carry your own groceries into the house, and the security of knowing that a simple trip or stumble is less likely to result in a dangerous fall. Strong legs are the pillars that support the life you want to live. It can be easy to look at this information and feel a little overwhelmed. You might think, I'm already in my 80s, is it too late? Or, changing my diet seems like so much work. Please allow this one thought to comfort you. It is never too late to give your body what it needs. Your body has a remarkable, lifelong capacity to heal and build. You do not need to change everything overnight. The journey to stronger legs is not a sprint. It is a gentle, steady walk, taken one meal at a time. Start small. Tomorrow morning, perhaps you'll choose to have an egg with your toast instead of jam. For a snack, maybe you'll reach for a small cup of cottage cheese or a handful of nuts. See these not as sacrifices, but as powerful acts of self-care. Each time you choose a protein-rich food, you are sending a clear message to your body. We are building today. We are getting stronger today. Celebrate these small victories, for they are the foundation upon which lasting strength is built. Remember, you are the architect of your own well-being. The knowledge you now have is a powerful tool. Use it to look at your plate with new eyes, not as just a collection of foods, but as a collection of opportunities. An opportunity to nourish, an opportunity to strengthen, and an opportunity to invest in your own independence. Before you go, make one final promise to yourself. Promise to pair this nutritional wisdom with gentle movement. Promise to stay hydrated, and most importantly, promise to speak with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They are your partners in health and can help you tailor this advice perfectly to your unique needs. The strength to walk confidently, to live fully, and to